Hello, good day. I am Ivy Gasasa Aparicio, the president of the NBBN Health Cooperative. Our cooperative in NBBN Navata City was established to care for the health and well-being of every member of our community and NBBN Navata City. And the mission is to provide affordable, accessible, and quality healthcare for NBBN for every family in our community. And the vision of NBBN is a healthy and united barangay in NBBN Nawata City where every person lives in wellness and peace. The objectives is to promote health awareness and early prevention and to provide affordable medical services and medicine in the NBBN to build strong partnerships among members for our healthier tomorrow. And the service and community and benefits in NBBN Navata City as our cooperative offers affordable checkups, medical consultation, and health education programs. And we help families, workers, and senior citizens maintain good health in NBBN Navata City. And through unity, we ensure that no one is left behind when it comes to healthcare. Health is not just about medicine, it's about care, compassion, and unity. Together, we build a community that values wellness, preventions, and shared responsibility. Let us continue to care, to help, and to heal, hand in hand as one community. Together, we care for life and community.